Maharashtra Health Department has reported a Guillain-Barré syndrome or GBS outbreak in Pune, with the number of confirmed cases rising to 101. This includes 28 new cases reported over a weekend and sadly what is suspected to be the first GBS-related death in Solapur. The disease has left 16 patients on ventilator support, with the majority of cases affecting children under 9 and adults between 50 and 80 years old. Health officials believe the outbreak began on January 9 with the first hospitalized case in Pune. Here's what we know so far about this outbreak. GBS is a rare but treatable condition where the immune system mistakenly attacks nerves. It can cause weakness, paralysis, and other symptoms. The recovery process can take 6 months to over a year depending on the severity. Tests from hospitalized patients have detected Campylobacter jejuni, a bacteria known to trigger GBS. The bacterium is responsible for a third of GBS cases globally. Meanwhile, officials are testing water sources across Pune. A well near the Khadakwasla Dam showed high levels of E. coli, though it's unclear if the water was being used. As a precaution, residents are advised to boil water and heat food thoroughly to avoid infections. Now, let's talk about the challenges of treating GBS. Patients often need immunoglobulin injections or IVIG. Each injection costs Rs 20,000 and a full course may require 13 injections, putting immense financial strains on families. Recognizing the crisis, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has announced free treatment for all GBS patients in Pune and surrounding areas. In the meantime, health officials are conducting extensive surveillance, having already surveyed 25,578 homes to trace the source of outbreak and identify new cases. As the situation unfolds, it's crucial for public to stay informed and take necessary precautions, boiling drinking water, cooking food thoroughly, and report an unusual symptoms like weakness or paralysis to a doctor immediately. That's all for now on this developing story. Stay tuned for further updates.